Now, with Xantrex Smart Lithium Power and the third generation Mercedes-Benz Sprinter VS30 chassis, the new 2021 Winnebago Revel 4x4 opens up a world of possibilities with off-the-grid capabilities and complete four-season comfort for the camper van life and van life revolution. This factory fresh Revel from Lichtsinn RV includes the following new items and enhancements for the 2021 model year. Xantrex Lithionics 125 amp hour dual lithium ion batteries providing 1600 watt hours of energy per battery, or 3200 watt hours total, housed inside the van driver's side wheel well with easy access. These lithium batteries provide 25% more capacity than competing 100 amp hour batteries such as Battleborn. With lithium technology, they are fully usable up to a 10% reserve capacity with patented power reserve feature, unavailable in other lithium batteries such as Battleborn. The lithionic batteries include high and low temperature control with a smart battery management system, or BMS. Via the Bluetooth connectivity smart app into the BMS, you can also showcase state of charge battery management, voltage, amps, wattage, battery temps, BMS temps, and power state management, all within the Bluetooth connectivity app. For four-season RVing, heat pad wraps with intelligent automatic thermostatic controls are included for the Lithionics batteries. Winnebago then adds a second under-the-hood alternator to fully recharge these lithium batteries in less than 2 hours of travel time. Continuing on with the Xantrex 2000 watt inverter, this is now wired to provide complete whole coach 30 amp electrical service, including the Coleman 10 NDQ air conditioning system, as well as the Induction cooktop. A larger compressor-driven refrigerator is now included and turned forward facing towards the cargo door area for convenient access inside or outside of the van. Industrial-style non-slip flooring is included over insulated vapor-barriered plasticor flooring. New cabinetry designed with one-piece welded cabinetry. These cabinets are lighter, they're stronger, and they include the exclusive slam latch positive lock latching mechanisms. A large countertop extension has been added and conveniently stores out of the way. The Induction cooktop used in previous years has now been made portable so that it can be used outside of the Revel and also frees up even more countertop space. Towards the front, all new front bench seating includes dual safety belts and a 3-point driver side safety belt. Additional storage is now available under and behind this new front bench seating. The freshwater tank has been moved inside the van on the passenger side wheel well area for even better four-season use. The new Nautilus freshwater manifold system features easy color-coded management of your freshwater system, whether you're sanitizing, adding water, winterizing, or whatever your off-the-grid purpose is. The Nautilus freshwater system provides easy color-coded management of your freshwater system. The exterior flip-down table has now been changed to a cable-driven system for better use in non-level environments. The rear gear garage maintains the power drop-down bed and now includes LED lighting under the bed when stored, along with additional storage bags mounted and recessed for even more underbed ceiling-mounted storage solutions. And finally, the Mercedes-Benz spare tire returns as standard equipment, which is recessed underneath the chassis of the van. This is now made possible because of the lightweight composition of the new Xantrex Lithionics Smart Lithium Battery Management System. Designed specifically for active outdoor enthusiasts, this factory fresh Revel is available now for the 2021 model year here at Lichtsinn RV, America's closest dealer to Winnebago Industries. We're located only 1 mile north of the Winnebago Factory, based right here in Forest City, Iowa, and reaching out across all of North America for that top sales volume award as awarded by Winnebago Industries as the top selling dealer across all of North America now for the past 5 consecutive years.